What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Angling Addicts Pacific Northwest. I'm gonna make this really brief and I'm gonna get out here on the water. If you guys see behind me, things are looking incredibly stellar today. We've got a really small tide, 3-foot swells. So I'm gonna be fishing with today is we've got a little Storm Wild Eye swim shad right here. I've got a few different sizes to choose from, so I'm gonna throw some of these out here and see if we can't get on some fish today. All right. First cast, give me a fish, baby. Usually when I'm out here, I've got all these, the waves and the wind basically just pushing my gear straight into the little edge here, and there's a bunch of mussels and things like that to get caught up on. So hopefully this thing looks legit enough. We can get on something. What I really like about these minnows is they look very lifelike in the water. Got a nice little paddle tail on there. All right, we're gonna find us a fish. Let's go, baby. All right, I think we're gonna use the next size up. What do we got over here? As you can see, we're tossing these little guys down. So the next one up, it's gonna be these guys. They might be a little more, maybe more noticeable. Who knows? We'll see. Just get it tied up and see if this little guy's gonna find us something instead. Find us a fish. Oh, dude, they gotta be out here. Gotta be. All right. Let's go back. Oh, shoot. It's these things sail. Come on, fishies. Quit messing around. There we go. There's a fish. All right. All right. Oh, and it's a ling too. So it's oh, it's about time. Let's get down there and see. Oh, I'm really glad I tightened up my drag. On over here, dude. Looks like it is going to be undersized, but let's give this little fella a look. Oh yeah, when he can flip a ling. Not too bad though, not too bad. Swim bait has produced its first fish. All right, thanks, buddy. Thank you, thank you. All right, skunk is off. I don't know if the bite is gonna start picking up or we just kind of got lucky on that one. Oh, get off of there. Oh, shoot. Well, that sucked. I must have been on the barnacles and whatnot. It just instantly shredded my line. This will go get tied back up and really just keep at it. I mean, that's all we could really do. Want to get a limit, man. Ended up cooking up some black sea bass for my mom. It's kind of the way I usually do it when I'm just quick and simple out here and fishing, and she absolutely loved it and was asking if I could actually keep some fish and bring them to her. So see if we can't get out here and find some fish for mama and get some stuff in the freezer for her. So I'm gonna get retied and see what else we can throw on and make happen here. This color has been killing it for me out here. I absolutely love that color and that pattern. So let's see if we can find us another fish. Of course, it's got to be down there. All those weeds. Oh my God. Is that a friggin' greenling? Yes, that looks like a monster kelp greenling right there. I think we will keep this guy if we can get him up here. Holy smokes. I love when you'll get these kelp greenling that'll actually come smash your swim baits. You know, usually I'm out here throwing shrimp or something like that for these guys. That is not what I expected to have on the end of the line. That is a really nice kelp greenling right there. Probably one of the biggest ones I've actually caught out here. Man, sea trout keeper number one. I'll take it. Take these guys all day long. All right, you guys. Well, things are not really picking up like I was hoping for. I was just stopping by on the way to the jetty anyhow, so hopefully we can get what I would consider a very slow day to turn around and pick back up for us, because I would love to actually go back home with a full cooler for once. So we're about 20 minutes out from the jetty right now, so let's get a move on. All right, you guys, well, we are about 2 hours into jetty fishing out here, and I have yet to land anything. I swear I got a couple of bites. I could be wrong, but I think it's about time to start switching it up. So I've got some of these big hammer baits that I'm going to try and throw on and see if we can't find something with those. And then I've also got some of these rage swimmers right here. I've also got some herring that is pretty much, I would think, now ready to go. I only brought 3 of them, so I've been cycling through a couple of different baits while I was out here. I did go back to that whole little finesse rig with that red bullet weight and was not finding anything. And then we ended up just throwing out one of these nice big curly tail grubs with a 1 ounce head on there. And the water just seems to be really shallow. I'm just hitting bottom super quick, so I'm just trying to figure out how to work this setup between small baits, big baits. Nothing seems to be working right now, so we're just gonna dig into the bag of tricks here and something's gonna work. The lucky thing is things can always change at any minute. I just hope I'm not regretting leaving that other spot where I was at least getting some fish. Here I am not catching any. So what we can do here, so what I've got going on, starting off at our obviously we've got our braided line up here, we've got our bobber stop, we've got a little black bead coming down to our float, we've got another bead below that, coming down to our egg sinker, another bead. And then I always try and put a bobber stop above my swivel, so that way if we end up breaking off, hopefully that bobber stop will help keep my weight from sliding off and the bobber sliding off and all that stuff just floating away down the jetty. So we've got a little 2-hook rig going here, and like I said, this isn't something that I normally do, so I'm just going to kind of wing it this first time and see how that goes. Oh man, it is just gonna be one of those days of fishing, I guess. It sucks. Let's go change this luck. There we go. What do we got? New spot. Oh, come on up here, buddy. Can't tell if it's a really good fish or it's just down in those rocks. What do we got? Ooh, it's a bass. It's a bass. Oh my goodness. And he got a little wrapped up. But, oh my goodness, that is a tank. Get that off of there. There we go. All right. Woo! And it's a nice one. So, you know what? I think I'm gonna keep the rod right here. Gotta be quick about this. Quick but safe. Quick but safe. Oh. All right. That is what I was looking for. Yeah. There we go. That is a nice black sea bass. Oh, I'm super stoked right now, you guys. Of course, I come out here and catch fish all the time, but today has a lot more purpose than normal. Sweet. All right, we need to find some more like you, dude, and I would be totally happy with that. Ooh, there we go. There we go. That feels like something good. Oh my goodness, stand over by the rocks. Come on, baby, make it around those rocks. There we go. Come on, baby. Oh my goodness, dude. What is on here? Dude, that's gotta be a, oh my God. I gotta actually loosen a little bit of drag here. No way. Oh my God. My drag is set insanely tight, so nothing, my line should have actually broke before I had something take off on me like that. Man, we need a good switch up of the water here. How I wanted that to end. Dang. Ended up, woo! That was a huge surge. Ended up breaking off. That sucks, man. Right friggin' there. Ah. All right, tie up and try again. Still got a little bit of time left before it gets a little too dark and I got to start walking back. Still got time for a limit. Not letting this guy get in those friggin' rocks, man. There's a black bass. Woo! Mama gonna be happy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Ended up throwing another one of those little shad back on there. Add this little dude to our stringer. Not as big, obviously. There is a huge difference between these guys. Shad is getting it done. Let's go see if we can get another one. We need 3 more fish. We've got our 6 for the day. Oh, if we could just get 2 lean cod in there. Let's go, baby. Got to walk back so far. I don't know. You got the lighthouse or the bridge, and then just to the left is the lighthouse. My car is parked just on the other side of that. Dude, oh, dude, they're just like bumping it. All right. Well, it gives me a good idea of where they're at least. So it's either just right there by those white bubbly lines. Get right over it and work this baby underneath. Oh yeah, there must be some little guys out there. There we go. That feels like a good one. I guess the tide or the current's going out. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Woo! Oh, that's a nice black bass. That's another nice one. Yeah, buddy. Oh, come on. Oh, that's a tank. Yeah. You're about the size of our other guy. Dude, I'm so glad I stopped and got these storm baits. Oh, goodness. Can we do this? We can do this. I'm having to put in the friggin' work, but oh, I am so stoked. Gotta go. Oh, dude, we only need 2 more fish and I can go home. I don't have to stay here tonight. That would be really cool. Let's go ahead and get that out of there. Ooh. All right, we need the pliers for that. That thing's down in there. Where's it at? Right there. Yeah, we're gonna use that and go grab some more. All right, baby. Let's go get 2 more. Let's get 2 more. I think what we're gonna do is put a little special sauce, just because these guys have been poking me. So you start getting your own blood on your gear, probably gonna slow down your bites. Oh man, if we can grab 2 more right now, I would be a happy camper. All right. Let's do it. The sun would be right up on yonder. It's gonna get dark quick. And I got so far to walk on this jetty still. Two more, baby. Come on. Hit. Hit. Oh, that one's sticking. That one's sticking, baby. Oh man, I'm so stoked right now, you guys. To be out here all day just getting spanked. What do we got? What do we got? Ooh, it's another black sea bass. Oh my goodness. That is awesome. All right, I'm just gonna leave the rod here this time. Oh my God, that is too cool. gonna go from spending hours out here and just getting spanked by this place to hopefully grabbing our limit and getting out of here. Thank you. All right. Oh man, one more fish and we are gonna go home and fillet these fish up. One more fish. One more fish, baby. Oh man. Little shad, you are a lifesaver, man. All right, there we go. That is going to be it. It's going to be it. All right, don't let this last fish be the hard one. Come on. Oh, yes! No, yeah? Can't tell, the water's coming in. Oh my God. Holy smokes. Woo! Get over here, yo. It's another sea bass. Boom. If you stay on. Yeah, baby. All right, there is fish number 5. Heck yeah, man. No, that's fish number 6. That's black bass number 5. All right. So, I think I'm gonna try for some lean cod real quick. And then I think I'm gonna get out of here. Boom. Oh, you guys, man, I am so happy right now. All right. My girlfriend picked me up these cutters, and I gotta say they are quite convenient. If you guys haven't seen those before. Got that with my little tape measure on there. Convenient tools to have while you're out here. All right. Can't get that to just sink right there. Really? There we go. I was gonna say there's something messing with the bait down at the bottom. So it's just gonna be a black bass again. Yep. Hoping for a lean, but there's another. But this guy we cannot keep. Come here, buddy. All right, going back. Thanks for playing. I was really hoping a monster would smash this thing. Oh, no way. I just saw a friggin' spout from a whale. Well, that was cool. So I think what the plan is going to be, I'm going to try and get back to my rig and see if I can't finish up where I started off today. We might have enough light to get down there. I'm hoping I can just kind of get down there, throw a few casts. All right, I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to make this fella out here, but the 24-incher, it actually felt like it might have been a bigger one, but that's I will take it. All right, so obviously one more fish to just kind of wrap up the trip. I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you liked the video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you guys aren't subscribed. But until next time, you guys, best of luck to all you, and I hope to see you out on the water